his bumper. 95, 85. Michael has 85, not 95. There is no 95. What's wrong with your boy? What's wrong with your boy? Sandbagging, huh? I hear a lot of noise, but I don't see no movement. Oh no, 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 no! The 05 car is kicking their asses. He don't even look like he's touched. .213 can't get off the wall. He's stuck. Don't take that car head on. He's twice your size. He's got 275. It's looking like he's got a pretty good shot.
Yeah, he's like a brick wall, man. Like
either the 275 or the 05 car, I think. Yeah. Although that orange car's held up better than I thought it would. Oh, 925's leaking fire. We got some flames. Knock it off, boys. There's some fire. Hold it up, gentlemen.
75 just get going now.
All right, looks like the 213's got at least one flat tire.
Also an action operator on the sign number 05, Wayne Carter. Number 69 is on.
Wayne Carter's in the 05. You picked 85.
I think
she said 85.
I'm picking 275 now. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 69 car.
This car is so stout, like
I knew that 05 car had been here every year. Especially considering he'd hit something and didn't even look like it touched the car.
Now the 69 car did place 4th place. And we still have action automobiles on the competition area being car number 05 and number 213, I believe, are action automobiles. And car number 275. 275 on the far side. He is an action automobile as well. 3 action automobiles. And the firemen move off of the competition area. Are we clear on the racetrack? Gentlemen, that the sound of the siren. Here we go!
two need to team up on Wayne Carter there and push him out. That's the only shot they got. And they're not going to blow that car up. Only chance they got is to push him out. Otherwise, he'll destroy them. Oh, 213 smoking. He's just running. Running for his life right now. Oh, he's going to get himself stuck on the wall. See him burn that tire off over there? I know he's my car, but I'd love to see one of them just come across there and just drill him.